Supabase is an open-source, full-stack platform designed to simplify database management, authentication, file storage, and more. Here's how to use Supabase. Create a Supabase account. Visit Supabase and sign up for a free account or login if you already have one. Set up a new project. After logging in, create a new project by clicking Create a new project and providing a project name. Database setup. Once your project is created, navigate to the database section. You can create tables, define relationships, and manage data using the Supabase dashboard or SQL queries. Authentication. Supabase provides built-in authentication features. You can enable email or password, social logins, and manage users with ease. Use the Authentication API to handle signups, logins, and user management. File storage. Supabase allows you to store files and images securely. You can upload files through the dashboard or using the Supabase client library in your applications. API integration. Supabase provides an API for managing data and files. You can use the REST API or client libraries to interact with your Supabase project. Front-end and back-end integration. Integrate Supabase with front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js, or back-end services like Node.js, Python, or Laravel to build a complete web application. Monitoring and insights. Supabase offers performance insights and monitoring tools to track database activity, usage, and performance metrics.